Make it better for you, my confirmed person. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Saturday will be the 17th day of August 2024. Our topic for today now, prayer contaminants. Our Bible reading, it comes from the book of Proverbs chapter 18, from verse 20, go shook body enter 21. Make we read them together. When you talk better words, belle go sweet you. So make you dey let good words come out from your mouth and you go dey happy. 21. Wetin you talk fit save or destroy your life, so you must accept the result of wetin you talk. Our memory verse for today now from Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21, and e say, wetin you talk fit save or destroy your life, so you must accept the result of wetin you talk. Make we enter today's message. Don't forget say our topic na still prayer contaminants. Certain things dey wey dey contaminate our prayers, and such things dey weaken our prayers and their possible results. One of these things wey dey contaminate our prayers na when we dey talk words wey dey against wetin we dey pray for. For example, when you dey pray about your country and then you come later join people wey dey talk bad and say nothing good fit come out of this same country, you don contaminate your prayers already. Not pray to God to give life to something, then you go come turn around dey speak death to that same thing. You no get result from that kind prayer. Joel chapter 3 verse 10 tell us to say, make those wey no get strength, make dem say, I dey strong. Wetin mean be say, if you don pray for strength, but you still dey see say your body dey weak you, at that point you suppose dey talk say, I dey strong, I dey strong. As your words dey go in line with your prayer, dem go make your prayer get enough power to deliver the result wey you dey find. When you pray about something, e dey very important say your words wey you dey talk and wetin you dey think for your head dey agree with your prayer. This way, you no go stand in the way of the answer to your prayer. Another thing wey dey contaminate prayer na lack of concentration when you dey pray. This na when people dey pray, but their heart no dey inside the prayer. Rather, their minds dey occupied with other things. The devil know say if your mind dey distracted when you dey pray, your prayer no go carry enough power as e suppose carry. Therefore, when you decide say you wan pray, and the devil start to dey remind you of things wey you never do and places wey you suppose go, e plan na to occupy your mind with those things so that you go dey distracted and you go lose your concentration as you dey pray. Whenever you find out say your mind dey do wakajugbe when you dey pray, write down those things wey you suppose do, put the paper aside, then you continue to dey pray. Train your mind to stay away from all forms of distractions. No give room for distractions to disturb your connection to God when you dey pray. With time, as you continue to dey train your mind, you will get better focus on only God whenever you dey pray. Our key point for today now, if you want make your prayers get enough power and potency to deliver better result give you, then make you make sure say nothing contaminate your prayer. Don't forget say our topic for today na still prayer contaminants, and this na still Open Heavens Daily Devotional. Na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide, na him write this Open Heavens Daily Devotional. And na on top Favours blog, na you take listen to this ogbonge message. Abeg, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to this channel so that when we drop new videos, you go be one of the first persons to know say better don land. Make it better for you, my confirmed person. We go meet for our next video.